followers, choose who can participate, set a delay between message, close this. Hi everyone, Michelle here, stopping by to say hello. This is a new feature that I decided to try, and it's going live vertically, and this is a new feature on YouTube. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm out shopping, getting more produce for juicing, and hope you're doing well. I think I'm live. Alrighty, and welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy. Okay, thank you. And let me know where you're joining me from. This is really just a test. This is a test. And also, hi, someone has joined. Hi. Guys, I'm out shopping. Let me show you outside. This is outside. Can't see much. Yeah, so let me know where you're joining me from. And one thing that I wanted to ask the community here on YouTube is, what kind of videos do you want for me to create moving forward? Right now I'm doing a lot of juicing videos. See, I went to get all my juicing stuff. Yeah, lots and lots of juicing stuff for the week. And then let me know what kind of videos do you want for me. If you are on the plant-based journey, hi Randy, good evening, how are you doing? Thanks for joining. If you're on a plant-based journey, what are some of the trials, the struggles that you're having right now that you need help on this journey? Let me know in the comment below. How long have you been plant-based? Are you trying to do transition or just eating more plant-based food? What kind of recipes would you like for me to create? Are there any old family favorites that you would love to be transitioned, for me to recreate as plant-based? Let me know in the comments below. And I'm excited because I want to start doing more videos based on what you want from me, because at the end of the day, the community is not about me only, it's about you. It's how can I better serve my audience? So let me know in the comments below, and also let me know where you're joining from. If you leave a comment, it will draw more people. The algorithm loves that, so YouTube will send more people along. And I've been juicing, so I've been having a great experience with juicing, and I want to continue that. So I'll continue to share my juicing recipes with you, but I'm gonna also be cooking, because I want to do 2 juice recipes a day, and then I'll do a meal. And I think that's very sustainable. If any of you are trying to juice and you're having difficulty going to juicing all day long, especially if you have this rigorous job and it's very labor intensive, I recommend that you do 2 juice. And so maybe twice a day you drink juice, and then 1 meal would be a cooked meal, but make that meal really whole food, plant-based. So get rid of all those refined foods from your kitchen, period. So refined foods, food with a lot of oil, highly processed foods, just start by doing that. We have a lot of people on the live. Can you let me know where you're joining from? Randine asks, is juicing hard when you first start? I would say yes, it can be challenging for some people, but the trick about that is to juice and drink a lot of juice. So don't limit. Sometimes you can do like every 2 hours, just drink juice, make the juice. And if there's a challenge to where it's can be sometimes for some people expensive, what you do is do fruits with high water content, vegetables with high water content. So some of my favorite juice to start with, if you're a beginner, I would say do watermelon. Watermelon can give you tons of juice. So say watermelon, you get a lot of juice out of that. You'll get enough for the day. And every time you feel hungry or you're tempted, drink some watermelon juice. You can put in your watermelon ginger. I like ginger with watermelon. You can do mint. You could do lemon. You could add pineapple to it and drink that whenever you feel. I like to do so anything from the watermelon family, like your cucumbers, will go a long way. You could do cucumbers with an apple and ginger. You'll get a lot of juice from that. You can also, my favorite is pineapple. I love the bromelain. I find that it's so great for digestion. It's healing on the body. So good for the gut. I do a lot of pineapple. And then with pineapple, you can, it's unlimited the amount. You could do spinach, pineapple, ginger, celery, parsley. You can do cilantro. I know Randy doesn't like cilantro. I know. But just have fun in the kitchen and drink the juice. You will find it so healing. You get to rest your digestive tract. It's great for gut health, and it's healing on the body, anti-inflammatory. You know, for people who are having a lot of pain, issues with pain, start juicing. I don't get no pain. There's no pain in my body. I love the juice and I highly recommend it. Hi, Knoxfoot. What? What's wrong? Let me, now I need to find out how to start blocking people. Can you respond? I am live, but please don't be, I don't have time now for somebody spamming me. I don't have time. It's not bad after all. Hi, Knoxfoot. It's not bad after. Okay, I have to open the car. I guess I have to go. Devin is here. But it's not that bad after all. Juicing is great. Oh, I guess you didn't do anything. No. But I am live. I'm live. We're talking about juicing, but I guess we're going to be going driving soon. So, see beautiful. See beautiful. So, I'm in Florida. And look how it's hot, beautiful day, sunny, but we can't have the music on, Devon. Okay. So, who else is on live with us? Oh, you didn't do it. Yeah, you got a, yeah, you got a chat. I don't know about that. What's that? But I'm talking right now. Yeah, I'm talking right now. And we're heading home. I guess you can drive with me. Okay. So I guess I'm having someone who is, so I'm heading home. And if you want, you can stay on live with me while we talk. So we're going to go back to what we're discussing. We're talking about juicing, and it's not bad. Try it, Randina. When you do, I'm here to support you. And we have a community on Facebook as well. Just look for Healthier Steps Juice Challenge group. So we have a thriving community there. You're welcome to join us there. And if you are strict with juicing, like, you don't have to be honest, you will still get benefits if you were to say, like I said, do 2 juice and eat 1 meal. But just make sure that meal is clean. You don't have no processed food. Just get rid of processed foods. And that's where a lot of times the problem comes, is highly processed food. Just eat simple food. And Knox, if you don't want to juice, nobody's forcing you to juice. You're welcome. If you want to eat, we can talk about food. But right now we're talking about juicing. And right now, so anyway, see, we're heading home. Heading home. You can see, I'm just showing you here. So yeah, that's Whole Foods right there. We're not going there today. But yeah. Oh, look at how beautiful. Hot and sunny, and I know up so. Yeah, it's gorgeous. But you know, right now, I know a lot of people are having cold weather, but it's so hot here right now. Oh, it's so nice, just lovely weather. It's 79 degrees right here now, in Florida. So anyway, some of the things I love about juicing is if you have sugar cravings, if you're craving sugar, um, start juicing, and definitely it will help you with the craving for sugar. And yeah, thank you for all your comments. Let me know where you're joining me from. Let me know, and let me know any way I can help you on this journey. Any questions that you have, feel free to definitely either contact me and let me know. Anyway, I think if you don't have any questions, let me see. Any more questions? It's just you, YouTube live. Oh, Jeanette, welcome. Jeanette is here, and she is tuning in from Pennsylvania. What's the weather like in Pennsylvania, Jeanette? What's the weather like? Let me show you. It's so gorgeous here. What's the weather? You are the main character. Are you? Sounds like you are. Knox, are you the main character? Yeah, right now you're taking over, and really it's my life, so this is not right. Uh, this is my life. This is not your life. You're trying to take over my life. Jeanette is nice today, not too cold. Yes, yes. Um, I don't. Yeah, no, they were having a lot of storms. I think more West Coast, on the West Coast. So I think this year, pretty much on the East Coast, we've been spared from all the storms. I'm on the East Coast, ain't it, Dev? Am I saying something wrong?
Southeast.
Well, I'm Southie, but I'm still East.
North.
But some winters, we have some rough winters here.
North. They weren't spared up north.
They weren't spared? Okay, okay, okay. Because you what you see, he keeps up with the weather. I know. I know. Yes, thank you. As a matter of fact, Dax, you're right. You've been keeping this chat going, and you're the one. So I need to give you some credit where credit is due. Thank you so much. Because, yes, yes. Thank you, Jeanette, also for commenting, and Randy. Thank you, guys. I guess we need to do this more often. You got ADHD? Oh, I'm sorry. Wow. Yeah, that's rough. That's rough. That's not easy. So I understand. You get bored easily, eh? You're special. Yeah, yeah, that's special. Yeah, yeah. How so how are you doing? You subscribe? Oh man, you're making me feel good. You're softening my I was like, thank you so much. That's really nice of you. I know you. I think you are gonna give me a hard time though. You say it's hard, but you're managing. Okay. Have you tried anything for it? Are you? I want to ask you. I mean, maybe it's too personal to ask you. Are you on meds? You need to focus. Are you on like Ritalin, that type of thing? It's hard for you to focus. I can imagine. Yeah. So, have you tried doing anything with vitamin B and magnesium, like juicing some spinach and spinach juice, I think, with celery, put some lemon in it, parsley, and kale. You're getting your diagnosis this month. Oh, okay. Come on back and let me know. I'd love to know. You can leave a comment when you get back. So are you diagnosing yourself then? Because if you but I still highly recommend that you start juicing. You like smoothies. Okay, that's good. All right. All right. We have another. Randy is asking, what's the best juice for your kidney and liver? So the juice that I told you about, let's start with the kidney. So we're going to do your parsley with, you're going to do, start with something sweet. So let's do a green apple. So you're going to put green apple, lemon. Lemon is great for kidneys. Parsley is excellent for, and do some celery as well. And you can juice that and put some spinach. Just make a juice and then add extra green apple if you want to make it taste good. But if you don't have green apple, what you can do is use another fruit that is in your area. Like you could do the pineapple, that will help as well. So just do that. And then for your liver, we're gonna do the beets. I like the beets for liver. So I'm gonna do a beet juice. And I like, if you have dandelion, that would be great to do pineapple, beet, and dandelion. That was just gonna taste good. And add carrot to that. Very delicious, and also very good for detoxifying the liver. And there are juices on my page, so go look on those videos. Go in my shorts and you'll see the juices. And I think I just recently did one for liver. Chef Tanvir, hi, hello chef, how are you? Thanks for joining. I'm gonna check you out later on, so I'm gonna check your page out. So we're heading home, and this is beautiful Gainesville. What's over there? Is that the hospital?
VA.
That's the VA hospital. My husband goes there. He's a VA, so that's where we would go for visits, for checkups if he has to. And yeah, so weather is so good. Where are you? Where are you, Chef Tanvir? Where are you? The weather is so gorgeous here. 79 degrees, so it's not too hot, not too cold. I mean, it's not cold at all. It's just right. This is like perfect. So if you want to visit Florida, the best time of the year to visit Florida is now and in the fall. The other two times, do not come to Florida in the summer. I don't know how people do it. It is unbearable hot. It's so hot, humid. Do not come here in the summer. That's why people always say they hate Florida. The only reason they don't like Florida is because they come in the summertime. But if you come like now, it's perfect, it's gorgeous, and you'll have a good time. Okay, so Knox, you're welcome, Randine. Thank you so much for joining. Aw, chef, you think my hair is so cute. Aw, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, as I get old, I try to look younger. That's a trick. As you get older, you try to... So, Knox, you're so... you're so kind. Thank you so much, Knox. So, whenever I do lives, today's what? Today's Wednesday. So Wednesday, come back and join me next Wednesday. What time is it now? What time is it there? Okay, it's 5 o'clock on a Wednesday, and we will do live. I'll go live from wherever I am. I think I'm gonna be, live from wherever I am on a Wednesday, and we'll go live, even if it's for 5 minutes, even if I'm busy. So Chef Tanvir, where did you say you're from? Thank you so much. Where did you say you're? It's 3:35 a.m. Are you in India? Weather is so nice. Where would be 3:35 a.m.? That sounds like way on the east. Somewhere in the east of the world, Devon. We're in the west. I mean, he's thinking. My husband is here. He's like, what? What is she saying? East of the world. You're east.
East of the world is out of this world.
Oh, okay, east of the world is outside. Okay. What should I say? What's the word?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I get, you're in Pakistan. Nice. Beautiful. Oh my, you guys have some of the best foods in the world. I love Pakistani food. Love Indian, Pakistani. I just love seasoning. I love a lot of flavor. So you guys are the best cook. So I'm gonna go check out your page after. I'm gonna subscribe to you. And you're from the Hunza village. You guys are one of the healthiest people in the world. Am I correct? You're the Hunza tribe. They're one of the most healthiest people in the whole wide world. You guys are killing it there. And Knoxfood says, all right, I'm going to go now and see you next Wednesday. Ah, my new friend, Knox. Thank you so much. Blessings. And take care, okay? And take care of yourself and drink some nice lemon balm tea to relax you, okay? Drink some lemon balm tea, all right? And Chef, let me see. So take care now until I see you next Wednesday. Chef says, yes, right. You eat organic food. Oh, that's why you guys are so healthy. I'm telling you, I went to Jamaica. We've been back probably a week or two ago. And I'm telling you, the food tastes so different from here. I'm not joking. I'm not kidding. There was such a marked difference in eating organic. And I feel, I'm not going to say anything, but I feel that you need to eat organic. As much as possible, there is a difference. When they tested foods that were organic, they found they had more nutrients than regular conventional food. And there is a reason. It's better you spend extra for organic and then as much as possible, as much as you can. Because I find you're getting more healing from organic food. I'm telling you, there's something. I mean, I do my best. So what I did lately was, once we got back, I think we did meet up the guy before we left. We found a local organic farm, and now we go to them twice a week to get produce. And because there's still the clean, there's a dirty dozen and the clean dozen. There's certain food like for instance, I hear pineapple, I just scrub the skin. I don't always buy organic because it's ridiculously expensive for the amount of juice that I want. So that I scrub the outside, and you can wash with either a veggie wash or you use vinegar and baking soda. Let me see. You can see where. Here you go. So you can either use baking soda, vinegar, veggie wash, and scrub the outside of the pineapple, and then you can then use it. I use it to juice. However, when I went to Jamaica and I tasted the pineapple there, I was blown away by the fragrance, and the taste was so sweet, and it was organic and all natural. There was such a marked difference. Let me catch up with some of the. So Chef Tanvir says, we eat organic food so we'll be healthy. You like cherry? Oh yeah, I love cherry. I love cherry. Cherry is so good because it's great for pain. It's good for sleep. So if you've never, like, cherry, great to eat, especially in the evening. It will relax your body. It's great for sleeping, and it's good for people with any kind of pain, arthritic pain. Cherry is exceptionally good. So I love cherry. I grow acerola cherry, and that's a different kind of cherry. They call it also Barbados cherry. They call it Jamaica cherry. Well, we grow that, and it will bear all summer long. All summer. We get it from spring. We'll be harvesting cherry right up until it gets cold. I like acerola cherry because that cherry is one of the top fruits that yield vitamin C, like the highest vitamin C content. So I like to just go in my garden and just go pick and eat. With cherry, you can't really, it doesn't save long, so you have to pick it. It doesn't transport well. So you have to have your own tree. And what we find, the tree, then in the winter time now, we put it away, where it's warm, indoors. And then we'll take it back out and then put it up. So thank you so much, guys. If you're seeing my live for the very first time, please leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel. My name is Michelle Blackwood, and I'm the owner of Healthier Steps. I'm a food blogger for over 12 years. So check me out on healthiersteps.com. Subscribe below. I'm also an author of 22 books. I have, what else? I'm an RN by background. I do have a license still. And, but my main business is Healthier Steps. I'm also a health coach. I'm a certified health coach and a certified business coach. So I have all that and stuff. And I love anything natural. I love gardening. I love I love nature. I love natural foods. I love plant-based foods. Now I'm in love with juicing because as I get older, I realize that I need to flood my body with more nutrients and I need to have a clearer mind. I need to just boost my immune system because there's just so many things brewing out. There's so many bugs. I'm telling you guys, let's look. Where are we? Oh, that's a Walmart right there. Walmart. And as you can see, we're heading home outside now of town. So what else? So next week you'll be in Dubai. Ooh, wow. That sounds like it's gonna be a fun trip. Oh, that's one of my dream places to go, is to visit Dubai. Have fun. All right, thanks. Oh, you're stopping. Alrighty.
I'll get dog food.
Oh, he's gonna get dog food. Oh, so we have, how many dogs we have? 5, 6? They're a piece of
We
work.
have 2 dogs.
Oh, we have 2 and Devana as well, many?
4.
4. Well, it's our family, so we have what, 6 dogs. So, so you can imagine
She babysitting. She has 3. She babysitting.
babysitting one. How long now? She,
Mm.
I'm just kidding. So we love dogs, and we have 2 cats. So if you know, we go through a lot of foods. So what else? Let me read some of the comments. Thank you guys for joining me. So many of you have joined me. You make me feel so loved. Next week, no, we can't use, only wash with water. And so you will come to Unza village
Okay.
to visit. Yes.
Soon come, okay?
Yes. Yes. From your lips to God ears. I want to come. I love traveling. Love traveling. So I would love to go because I just love. That's like when I was younger, one of the things I wanted to be was I wanted to be airline stewardess because I wanted to see the world. But I'm kind of glad I didn't go that direction because everything, let me lock the door. Everything is for a purpose, and I believe God has blessed me with such a beautiful life, and the way he did it was so different from what I expected, and I am so thankful. So I'd love to go to Anza. I'd love to just see the world. I want to travel a lot. So that's my goal. And it would be lovely to travel so I can show people different things, how to eat plant-based while traveling. So that's one of my goals. And but I'm open. Whatever God's will is in my life. You know, I took care of my children, homeschooled them, and my baby now is 15. Well, he'll be 15 on the 28th of this month. So he's no longer a baby anymore. And we all like traveling. No, I wouldn't say we. Me and my daughter loves traveling. And my husband and my son, they are more homebodies. So um, that's how it is. And my son is like, every time we take him somewhere, is like, oh, can't wait to get back home. And so you deal with teenagers nowadays. That's how they are. And I told him I'm traveling soon. Are you want to come? No. And he's like, no. Because he doesn't like traveling. He doesn't like being out of his comfort zone. And I understand. I have to respect that. because we're all unique and we're all different. And, but my daughter, oh, she's like, okay, next, when? Let's go. So my next trip, I'll be taking my daughter with me and go on the next trip, which is soon. So, so you eat organic food and you say, well, I try my best. So we had a huge garden last year, and we were getting ready to go to Portugal. You see some of the videos, Ireland and England. And so we planted the garden and get it ready for our winter, because here in Florida we can grow twice. And so we planted the garden and we had someone to take care of the dogs. And when we got back, the dogs had eaten down the entire garden. So we have vegetarian dogs. They also eat the trees. They eat the garden. So I was so disappointed, because I was like, all that money that was spent in doing a garden, and only to find out when we got back from Europe that everything was completely gone. I think the dogs were upset and they were angry that we left them. And so, oh, you're a Chinese chef. That's awesome. I love Chinese food. I don't think there's any food that I don't love, really. I just love food. I'm a foodie. Oh, that's great. Great stuff, chef. Oh, wow. Nice. Well, I thought you were in Pakistan. So you're a Chinese chef living in Pakistan. Am I right? That sounds, and you're going to Dubai. Amazing. You love to travel, I can tell. So we did not do a winter garden because of that. We were like, forget it. There's nowhere we're going to go out and start all over again. So I'm glad that I found the local farm. I'm so glad. Oh, that's amazing. So guys, if you want to eat organic, look or search, do a Google search and find organic farms near me. And when you find, just go to the farmer and say, where where do you sell your produce? And see which market, and if the markets are close to you, how often, where. And if they're close to you, you can also just ask them, can I come to you the day that you're harvesting? And then we will just come to you that day and get produce that day. So that's what we do. We go to our farm, local farm, that's organic. And I love the couple. They're just amazing young people. I'm so proud of them. They have 2 farms. And we just go there and get the produce from them directly, and fresh, delicious. When I come home and I cook those greens, they cook in 5 minutes. They're so soft and tender. So, chef, let's hear what you're saying. You just buy a ticket from Pakistan and I'm here, no problem there. Okay, very nice. And you like wonton soup? Oh, I used to love wonton. I used to just love, I used to enjoy wonton soup. I love fried rice. I love, I don't know, I don't think General Tso is Chinese. I think that's probably American. I love China. When I lived in England, my favorite thing as a student to eat was fries, or you call it chips there, I think, with curry sauce, Chinese curry sauce. I don't know if you do that. So delicious. And that's what I used to enjoy eating. Love noodles. Love. I don't eat that much. I don't eat like that anymore. Because now I'm gluten free. I don't do the wheat. I don't do all that stuff. So, but there's rice noodles. I love rice noodles. I love rice noodles. Um, but just lately I haven't eaten anything like that. But Love it. Love it. Good food. I love the fact that you guys use a lot of veggies, lots and lots of vegetables when you're cooking, and that's what I like. I like the lots of greens and vegetables, bok choy. I just love stuff like that. I shop at Asian supermarket because that's where I can get a lot of varied amount of produce that I don't typically get at my regular store. So when I want to do something creative, I go to the Chinese store and I get supermarkets to get all my different ingredients. Well, I don't eat meat. So you said you eat beef, green chili. That is your favorite. Oh, so I'd love to make that and make that plant based. A green chili, that is your favorite. Oh, nice. I bet I can recreate something like that. Oh, wow. Chef Tanvir, you've kept my company. I feel so honored. And thank you guys. Whoever else is on the live, you can just introduce yourself. I'd love to know where you're joining us from. And thank you so much. Um, I've been on for a while. I'm surprised I've stayed this long talking to you guys, huh? But definitely next week, this time, come on again and we'll do some chat. You're so happy to talk. Yes, chef. I'm a talker, as you can see. You can see I love to talk. I have my moments, I would say. I have my moments, but I do like having a nice conversation. And chef, I'm gonna come check out your page and I'm going to subscribe to you. And rice. You love. Nice to know you. Yes, nice to meet you. Nice to know you as well. And yeah. What I like. I'm trying to remember some dishes that I like, and I hope I don't mess up because Asian cuisine. Some of them are so similar. Korean, Chinese. They're also similar. But I do. When I eat a lot of rice, I love rice. Right now, I've cut rice out completely because I'm telling you, it's a struggle as you get older um, to process stuff. As you get older, there's certain food that you just need to just kiss goodbye. And rice is one that I try to stay away from, and noodles. But you see, chef, you can afford to eat that because in your culture, even though you eat rice, you can eat it 3 times a day. You eat a lot of organic food and you eat a lot of produce, vegetables in your food. And the food is not as tampered with like we get here. If you make something in home, tell me I give you a recipe. Oh, you're so sweet. That's so nice of you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate yeah, it's open. I really appreciate you sharing, and definitely I can teach you to make Jamaican food. I'm from Jamaica. I was born and raised in Jamaica, so I can share with you how to make Jamaican food. In Jamaica, we have a lot of Chinese in Jamaica. They're part of our society. Um, so there's a lot of Chinese restaurants in Jamaica. So if you've never been to Jamaica, Chef Tanvir, I would highly recommend that you visit there. You might go and never want to leave. Because when I go home now, I'm like, this is, yeah, yeah, beautiful. It's beautiful. So, Chef Tanvir, I highly recommend that you visit. That's beautiful, that lake. We have a lot of lakes, like lots and lots of lakes, especially in our area. So, I highly recommend that you visit Jamaica. Put Jamaica on your bucket list. Okay, Chef Tanvir? Jamaica. Small little island in the Caribbean, not far from the USA, but it's really, 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 really gorgeous. And morning we drink pink salt tea. Huh? And lunch, only fresh fruit. And dinner, fresh vegetable. You drink, I need that recipe, pink salt tea, because pink salt, if I drink pink salt, it's going to give me a flush and I'm going to go to the bathroom. So Are you just putting in pink salt with warm water, drink it? That's a salt water flush. That's powerful stuff to empty your colon. So if anybody is suffering with constipation, you do a salt water flush and that thing will get you going. Are you talking about a salt? You're putting pink salt in warm water. Am I correct, chef? And you just drink that down. I haven't done a saltwater flush in years. I more go for magnesium. I take magnesium. I like doing magnesium supplements at night. And I wake up in the morning and it's fireworks. You like fireworks? So if you want some fireworks, do that. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, you meant milk tea. Okay, milk tea, because I was like pink salt tea. Okay, that's all. So you do a milk tea, and then for lunch, sorry guys, for lunch, you have fruit, and then healthy, good stuff. Is this gorgeous? I don't know, it's gorgeous to me. I like seeing nature. And you think your place is paradise. Okay. Is it Pakistan or China? Where? I think Jamaica is paradise. I know it's paradise. I'm being partial, am I not? But it's gorgeous. You'd have to go and see. Fresh air, water, and fresh greens. That's life. Fresh, clean air. You'll see where I'm heading to. That's where I'm heading to. I'm in the city. I'm heading out. Fresh air, clean water, and fresh greens. That's it. You got it. And it's close with China because you're in the mountain, aren't you, Hunza? It's mountainous up there, ain't it? And there's a lot of apricots there too. Am I right? Gotta be gorgeous. I can imagine that clean air and all the green veggies. I can only imagine how delicious that must be. I can only imagine. And it's close to Chinese, so it's like border the Himalayan. Is it near the Himalayan mountains? Am I correct? Is it near the Himalayan mountains? Next to India, China? Am I correct? I'm not sure if my geography is correct. um, when I wake up, okay, let me breathe. When I wake up and I breathe air, I say I am 12 years old. Wow, I like that. To wake up and he breathes, he says, I'm 12 years old. I love it. Thank you so much for that exercise. So wake up. You see, the mind is so powerful. If you say it, your body will transform into that, ain't it? The mind is so powerful. Thank you for that. Yes, like that. See? See? We're getting closer to nature now. We're moving away and getting more into the fresh air. Oh boy, this is so good. Guess what, guys? I don't like doing recorded videos. I prefer doing lives because I don't like editing. Maybe I'll do lives with you every day. Look, for me, I'm here. I can do live every day because I don't want to edit videos. I find it so tedious, time consuming, and such a waste of my time. I don't know how people do it. But maybe because they do it so often, they're so good at it. And sometimes they have a team. But sometimes with a team, it's hard for me sometimes to tell somebody what I like or how I want and for them to reproduce it the way I want it. It's hard. So sometimes for me, it's best not to. Just do a live. All right, let's read on. Just like that. So I'm doing it right. I guess he dropped off now. Are you going to sleep? See you. Yeah, this is Florida. Just like that. Yep. So thank you guys so much for joining me on today's live. If you like it, but know there are a lot of factories and I see clouds over sky is clean 24 hours. No, there are there a lot of factories you're saying and you see clouds over the sky is clean. The sky is clean for 24 hours. Well, it's getting cloudy here right now because it's getting cloudy because it's evening time. See, we're heading home and it's getting cloudy because it's evening time. Because what time again I said it is? Is that 6:05? See, it's almost sunset. Yeah, it's almost sunset. But you see, we're heading into the countryside now. See, it's peaceful. There's hardly any cars on the no one, hardly anyone. It's peaceful. So a lot of fresh air I get now. I'm going to where it's more calm, more peaceful, laid back. All right, Chef Tanvir says, in my place, clouds, only winter time. Real? Are you saying that you'd only see clouds during the winter time in your place? What? That's amazing. Really? Wow. So we're going to take many blessings. See you next week. Okay? And thank you guys so much. If you have not subscribed as yet to my channel, please do so, and also hit on the notification bell so that you can get updated on all my latest content when I go live, when I put another shorts up or another video up. Please do subscribe, and thank you so much. I had the most wonderful time today doing this impromptu live. I'm not even sure if I'm still live, honestly, but it's what it is. I've been here almost an hour. Excellent. Let's do it again. I enjoyed. Hope you did as well. And as I head home, thank you so much. Oh, we have 2 people on. Thank you, Chef. Please do send the video. I really appreciate it. I am looking forward to seeing the video. And if you want to connect with me, you can send me an email on healthiersteps@gmail.com or info@healthiersteps.com. And I think those 2 emails are the ones that I love looking at right now. And I check more frequently. And yes. Oh, okay. Thank you. So yes, I'm also on Instagram under Healthier Steps. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Just showing you a little bit of Florida, and everybody's like little. This is the countryside, so we live in countryside where there's fresh air and sunlight, and what else? Warm sun, warm Florida. I didn't check us yet, Chef Tanvir. I'll check later, because then I'll end up coming off the live. As soon as I get off the live, then I'll check and I'll send you a response. So thank you guys so much for keeping my company, and I appreciate you one and all. And if you need, let me go over again. If you need any help in transitioning to a plant-based diet, I'm here to help you. You can also check out my website, Healthier Steps, for recipes. And also don't forget to subscribe here. I love your feedback. I appreciate your feedback. Let me know what you want. I know a lot of people face challenges when they do decide to become plant-based. Some of the challenges that they may face is how to get the proper nutrition from their food, how to prepare the meals. Sometimes their family members are giving them a hard time because they are probably shunning them, don't invite them anymore. And so to their family gatherings, or just make negative comments. So I know some of you face a lot of challenges. So if you need support, I'm here, because I've been eating like this for over 26 years. So it's part of my life. I don't even think twice. There's no if, ands, and but. I don't. It's me. It's who I am. And at times I'd rather just drink water. if that if that's the case, I'm good with water. I'm not gonna die. So thank you so much, Chef. You be safe and take care. And anyway, thank you. I'm gonna end the live now. And okay, more people are coming on. Hi guys, welcome to the live. And just here to let you know that I'm here to support you, and I'm gonna be doing more videos like this. I was trying out YouTube's vertical video style, and I decided to come on live and just try it out. I got a notification from YouTube. They said, oh, it's a new feature. I'm like, oh, why not? So I'm heading home. I live here in Florida, and I'm enjoying beautiful weather. It's evening time now. It's 6:13 in the evening, and it's just boring driving home. And that's it. So take care and bye. That's it. I'm ending the life. I'm enjoying it too much. Now I have to figure out how to end it. And that I never know how to end the live. I guess I go here.